all about the clash between billionaire Elon Musk and Supreme Court Justice Alexandra de Moraes. Let's dive into the X, former Twitter block, Starlink VPN controversy, and the $50,000 fine. Folks, did you know the X suspension in Brazil could have far-reaching consequences? Justice Alexandra de Moraes made waves by suspending Musk's platform, causing quite a stir. To start off, you know the drill. Comment below. Is the Supreme Court right to suspend X, or is Musk justified in his criticism? We're eager to hear your thoughts on this heated debate. Don't forget to like and share this video link in your WhatsApp and Telegram groups. Deal? Let's keep going. Curious how this Moraes-Musk showdown will play out. On Thursday, August 29th, Elon Musk blasted Alexandra de Moraes on X, calling him a tyrant and dictator. This follows Moraes freezing Starlink Holdings funds in Brazil to ensure payment of fines imposed on X. Tensions escalated further when Moraes issued an ultimatum. X had 24 hours to name a legal rep in Brazil. Here's an interesting twist. The notice had to be sent via the social network itself, as X shut its Brazil office and has no official rep there. Musk mocked Moraes by posting an AI-generated image comparing him to movie villains like Harry Potter's Voldemort. The drama continues. X on Thursday night announced it would no longer follow Alexandre de Moraes' orders, hoping the Brazilian judiciary will block the platform. So what's going to happen now? Let's follow the next chapters of this story here. Now I'll tell you more about the Supreme Court judgment. On August 30th, the ministers of the Supreme Court's first panel began analyzing appeals from X, Rumble, and Discord, challenging Moraes' decisions on account blocking on these platforms. What did Moraes decide? Moraes initially opposed the appeals, arguing companies can't request account reactivation. He cited Civil Procedure Code Article 18, stating no one can claim others' rights unless legally authorized. Moraes argues social media can't defend users as if their own rights, even in criminal probes. He stressed freedom of speech is constitutionally protected, but comes with responsibility. This freedom can't be used as an excuse for illegal activities. He states, freedom of expression isn't a free pass for aggression. This clarifies the minister's view on social media freedom limits. Ever wonder how the Musk-Moraes conflict began? It started April 6th when Musk harshly criticized the minister on his platform. He vowed to reveal Moraes' demands and how they violate Brazilian law. Musk accused Moraes of betraying the Constitution, suggesting resignation or impeachment. Musk didn't stop there. He said he'd lift Brazilian court restrictions on various profiles, claiming the Supreme Court was aggressively censoring against the law and the will of the Brazilian people. Of course, he publicly provoked Alexandra de Moraes, questioning the minister's actions on his official account. Additionally, X, via an official statement, said court orders forced them to block some popular Brazilian accounts. The company stated it couldn't disclose details about the blocking orders, the court involved, or affected accounts. Musk continued challenging the minister, noting fines and jail threats to staff were jeopardizing X's Brazil operations. Lastly, Musk admitted X might lose all Brazilian revenue and close its office, but stressed principles over profit. This stance further intensified tensions between the billionaire and the Brazilian judiciary. Did you know that just hours after Elon Musk's criticism, Alexandra de Moraes included Twitter's owner in the STF's digital militia investigation? This inquiry looks into groups allegedly acting undemocratically on social media. Moraes argued it's unacceptable for social networks, especially Twitter, to ignore the criminal use by these militias to promote illegal activities. Moraes also noted Twitter's conduct could be seen as economic power abuse, illegally influencing public opinion and encouraging militia crimes. In an STF session, he highlighted the difference between free speech and freedom to attack, stating that Brazilians understand free speech can't be used to justify hate, racism, or the defense of tyranny. Minister Moraes blocked all Starlink hold funds in Brazil, owned by Elon Musk, Twitter's owner. This info comes from journalist Valdo Cruz's blog on G. The judge made this decision on August 18th. Moraes blocked the company's funds to ensure payment of fines imposed by Brazilian courts. All Starlink leaders in Brazil were ordered by the Supreme Court to pay Twitter's local fines. On the 18th, Musk said Twitter would exit Brazil due to Moraes' decisions, which he called censorship. SpaceX, Musk's aerospace firm, began evacuating staff from Brazil and warned against travel there. In an email last weekend, SpaceX President Gwynne Shotwell advised staff against traveling to Brazil for work or leisure, according to those who saw the email. The company also took steps last week to relocate its small group of non-Brazilian employees from the country, one person said. Ultimately, Alexandra de Moraes emphasized that Brazil's judiciary is committed to fighting these abuses, making it clear that any attempt to use social media for illegal purposes won't be tolerated. After analyzing the Elon Musk, Alexandra de Moraes, and X suspension situation in Brazil, I believe we're facing a clash that goes beyond just court decisions. It's a debate on free speech limits in our digital world where communication platforms wield immense power, but also bear huge responsibilities. What do you think about this? Were Moraes' actions necessary, or is Elon Musk right to criticize the Supreme Court's stance? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going.